okay, I'm going to show you how to pull the results from the technology conference spreadsheets yesterday. It's not that intuitive, but it is possible. So you need to go to the spreadsheet here. And one of the downsides of copying, it's not that big of a deal, but one of the downsides of copying the form from last year is that we have all of last year's responses still in there. So you need to eliminate those by filtering them in this way here. We're gonna go only responses that are from the past week. And so you shouldn't see anything over here that says 2018. Obviously, those are bad results. So I did two things. First of all, I wanted to check to see if my own students submitted the appropriate number of forms. So here I'm selecting only my students, and I'm going to sort those alphabetically, and then I can quickly see, okay, Luke did 4, Braden did 4, Zacchaeus only did 3, Damien did 6. So I can record those. I took points for those, and that enables me to make sure that everybody did what they were supposed to. You can see that those are there. The thing that's more interesting for students, of course, is to see what other people said about them. So for that, you want to select everybody's students, and you're going to filter it by the presentation. So I clear all of these, and then you just look for your students here. So Brigden, Hemingway, and Rhodes, those are mine. Okay, now one thing I did for this is I didn't want them to know who had said what about them, so I hid this column, which you right-click and then hide the column. So the names of the students go away, but they can still see the project. Obviously, the rating here is interesting for them to see, but they also want to see the feedback. So you highlight this column, format, and then wrap that text so they can see it. Then I'm going to print, and you need to do fit to page. And it looks small here. You or I might need cheaters to see it, but they'll probably be all right. Then go to next, and I'll print that. So that's just one group, but it actually goes pretty fast. It'll keep some of those defaults. So I've done that one. Now I'm going to scroll down and look for my next one. This crew's mine. So they had a small audience. We don't have any control over that. So the only thing I have to do over and over again is wrap the text around in the formatting so that they can see it. And then I should just be able to print. There, I don't have to reset the thing. You're just going to remember that. And that's it right there. Okay, that should hopefully clear things up.